Hey there, welcome to MindSphere. Ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, knowing you should be working, but somehow you're scrolling social media or cleaning your room instead? Yep, that's procrastination. But don't worry, today I'm sharing 5 powerful psychological tricks to finally overcome procrastination and boost your productivity. Ready? Let's dive in. Trick number 1, the 5-minute rule. Ever felt overwhelmed by a huge task and didn't even want to start? The solution? Commit to working for just 5 minutes. Research shows that once we get started, our brains want to keep going. So next time you hesitate, tell yourself, I'll just do this for 5 minutes. You'll be surprised at how much more you accomplish. Trick number 2, visualize your future self. Your future self is counting on you. A powerful psychological technique is to vividly imagine how completing your task will positively impact your future self. Ask yourself, how will I feel after finishing this task? How relieved or proud will I be? Connecting emotionally with your future success helps motivate you to start immediately. Trick number 3, use the if-then technique. Procrastination often happens because of uncertainty. Eliminate ambiguity by using the if-then technique. For example, if it's 3 p.m., then I'll start writing my essay. Or if I finish this report, then I'll reward myself with my favorite snack. Clear conditions make it easier for your brain to commit to action. Trick number 4, break tasks into tiny steps. Large tasks can feel intimidating. To avoid freezing up, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of thinking, I have to finish an entire presentation, say, I just need to create the first slide. Each small victory gives your brain a satisfying dopamine boost, motivating you to keep going. Trick number 5, change your environment. Your surroundings significantly affect your productivity. If you always procrastinate at your usual workspace, change things up. Try working at a cafe, library, or simply rearrange your desk. A fresh environment signals your brain to reset and focus, breaking old procrastination patterns. There you have it. 5 proven psychological tricks to overcome procrastination. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Implement these tips gradually, and you'll notice your productivity soar. Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to like, comment your favorite trick, and subscribe to MindSphere for more psychology hacks, productivity tips, and insights into mastering your mind. See you in the next video.